Well, hey everyone, this is Shirish and welcome back to my channel. Well, a lot of students and parents they ask me about how they can study in one of the greatest cities, New York City, and how they can live a great life around that area. Now, I have done videos on NYU and Columbia University, which are in New York. But today, I want to review a less renowned university that is just 20 minutes from New York and 40 minutes from New York City and has a campus in Manhattan, so you can study right in the middle of New York. And I'm talking about Adelphi University. Yes, this might be a new university for you, but here are some interesting facts about this university. Now, Business Insider ranked Adelphi at number 11 on its 50 most underrated colleges in America list, which considers two main factors: reputation and future earnings. Now, for a fifth consecutive year, US News and World Report ranked Adelphi as the best college among national universities. It also named Adelphi as best in 5 years experiences, best value school, and top performer on social mobility. Now, Adelphi University won the 2020 John L. Blackburn Exemplary Models Award for the American Association of University Administration for its innovative Prep for Success program. Now, created by their career and professional development, the program helps students with everything from most basic job search skills to valuable work experience through paid internships with leading organizations. Adelphi was also ranked as top 5 school for campus safety. So in short, it is really a great school to consider, and if you want to apply to the university, fill up the application form in the description box and my team will help you get admission to this university through a very special international program. Now let's look into details of Adelphi University. Hi, I'm Shirish Gupta, and I empower people to hack their success, rise above the challenges, and confidently create an extraordinary life they deserve. Adelphi University is a private university in Garden City, New York. It was initially founded in 1863 as a prep school in Brooklyn and later established as Adelphi College in 1893. Adelphi also has centers in Manhattan, Hudson Valley, and Suffolk County. There is also a virtual online campus for remote students. Now, the location of the main campus is in Garden City, New York, a comfortable Long Island suburban with shouting distance from Manhattan. It occupies 75 acres in an attractive residential suburb replete with Gothic cathedrals and safety homes. The campus is registered as an arboretum. Now, the $76 million Nexus building, home to the College of Nursing and Public Health, recently opened, and a $25 million renovation of the Harley University Center was also done recently. Now, the most popular majors at Adelphi include nursing, business, psychology, performing arts, biology, communication sciences, exercise science, social work, fine and performing arts. Now, although I'm not a big fan of judging a university solely on the basis of the rankings, Adelphi is also one of the top 5% universities in the US according to the US News rankings. In fact, its nursing, business, and performing arts program are highly ranked in the nation. Alright, now let's move on to our next section, talking about the right fit, starting with academic fit. Now, academics at Adelphi are amazing. Adelphi's strength are professional programs grounded in liberal arts. 5-year students take part in 4-credit seminar that introduces them to life at Adelphi. Now, all students are required to complete a capstone course or a project. Now, Adelphi's most popular majors have a decidedly pre-professional edge: nursing, business, psychology, and biology. And that is why I like this university a lot. Liberal art, but a very good pre-professional focus. Now, the joint degree programs have been established in a number of disciplines, including dentistry, law, physical therapy, and environmental studies. The combined degree program in engineering with Columbia University allows students to earn BS in physics from Adelphi and BS in engineering from Columbia in 5 years. Adelphi's Learning Resource Program for students with learning disabilities is said to be well-staffed and effective, and Bridges to Adelphi is an award-winning program offering career development and academic support to students with autism spectrum disorder also. Adelphi has partnership with outside providers who offer study abroad opportunities to students in approximately 120 countries. Now, Adelphi faculty-led programs including theater, art history, literature, history, counseling, chemistry, and speech pathology are held in Italy, Kenya, Denmark, Norway, England, and all other countries. Now, all opportunities are available for the interested students. Now, the faculty at Adelphi is amazing as well. According to students here, it's easy to form relationships with the instructors and network with them for future opportunities. The class size at Adelphi is small to average. 48% of classes have about fewer than 20 students. So keeping all this thing in mind, I would like to rate Adelphi with 4 stars on academic difficulty and quality level, where 5 is the highest level. Now, after academic fit, let's move to social fit. Well, social life is abundant here. And of course, you are in New York and very close to Manhattan, a dream for everyone to visit. Adelphi has been bolstering on-campus social life with an increase in free weekend and late-night programming aimed at encouraging students to stick around on weekends, and students are active in more than 80 clubs and organizations. Now, 60% of students get involved in community service. The Center for Student Involvement offers discounted tickets to movies, Broadway shows, and professional sporting events. So, social life is rocking here. Adelphi has about 8,000 students, including full-time and part-time, and about 5,000 are undergrad and remaining as PG and PhD. 90% of undergrads hail from New York, while university has about 5.7% students body as international students. And this is one of the big reasons Adelphi is looking to get more international students to increase its diversity and offers a special international program that can get you in the university with relaxed requirements. Again, for more info, fill the form in the description box and my team will get in touch with you. Now, housing is good too. But despite several comfortable and well-maintained residence halls, a merely 22% of undergrad, including 40% of first years, live in campus housing. Many students reside in university-arranged off-campus apartments in Garden City, and most postgraduate students also live off-campus. Campus dining is decent. Opinions vary on the quality and variety of food, but due to its location, various off-campus options are available as well. So overall, you will have a lot of choices for food and dining for sure. Now, Adelphi fields several competitive Division II teams as well, the Panthers. Now, women's lacrosse is powerhouse, having won national titles many times. Recent conference champions include men's and women's soccer, men's lacrosse, and women's basketball, softball, bowling, volleyball, and tennis. Now, among the school's 13 club sports, ultimate frisbee, hip-hop dance, Bollywood dance, soccer, and fencing are most popular. More than a dozen intramural sports are also available. So overall, Adelphi offers competitive academic and good social life as well. I would like to give it 4 stars out of 5 on quality of life at Adelphi. Well, now let's look at financial fit. Adelphi falls in a moderately expensive school category. Of course, it's in New York, but the expenditure depends on the program. You can expect about $40,000 to $45,000 in annual tuition expenses, with some postgraduate classes going up to $70,000 as well. The housing and dining is about $15,000 to $18,000 for most. As far as financially is concerned, Adelphi offers a lot of scholarship opportunities. Adelphi offers merit scholarships worth an average of about $15,000 each to qualified students, and 264 athletic scholarships are available in 21 sports. But in general, look for this university if you can afford the tuition fee. And most people won't mind spending this much to live in New York and have the opportunity to work here as well. Now, it is ranked very highly for being a value school, which means your job earnings will be great after a degree from Adelphi. So overall, I will give it 4 stars out of 5 on financial fit. Now, after exploring the fit, let's move to the most curious section on how to triple your chance of getting into Adelphi with my special admission tips and strategies. Again, the ideas I'm going to share now come from a decade-long experience working with students for career and college admissions. Well, if you really want to apply to this university and you are an international student, I would highly advise you to apply to a special admission program that university offers for international students, which is an easier option to get in and more supportive way for your education in the university as well. So you can fill out an application form in the description box and my team will get in touch with you. Now, Adelphi uses holistic approach while evaluating applications. Not just one segment matters in the process, but all variables, they count for something. A well-drafted application with official scores and transcripts, personal statement reflecting upon your choice of major and college, 2 letter of recommendations, and supplementary material required for admission. Now, there might be additional requirements like auditions and portfolios for programs in performing arts and other similar programs. As far as SAT, GRE, or GMAT or APs are concerned, they are required in most programs, but can be waived off depending upon the program that you're applying to. International students require some form of English proficiency test, which is either an IELTS or a TOEFL. Now, admission interview can be scheduled with an admissions counselor upon request. If you are identified as a candidate for honors college, you may be asked to complete a virtual interview for program consideration. I recommend making the most of opportunities like these during the application process. Now, let's just talk about deadlines. As far as deadlines are concerned, for admission, Adelphi offers 2 deadlines for undergraduate students. That is early action, which is about December 1st for the preceding year of your entry year, and other is regular, which is March 1st. For all postgraduate courses, they have individual department-specific deadlines with either 1 or 2 deadlines between September to March every year. Transfer applicants are also welcomed as well, depending upon the availability, with application accepted between November to March, depending upon the course you're applying for. So in the end, to conclude, if you want to study and live in New York, love the cosmopolitan city, like exploring things and looking for a great experience, Adelphi is for you. And thank you so much for watching this video. Really appreciate it. Please make sure to support my work by liking and sharing this video, and also subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon. Remember to complete your profile evaluation as discussed in the beginning of this video and get your profile evaluated for free absolutely. I will see you very soon in the next video. Till then, this is Shirish signing off. Bye-bye.